Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Hope you're staying home safe and sound with your family and of course watching my videos. In case you don't know me, my name is Yoram Swiers and today I have a new project for you, which involves an old monitor. So today we got a 22-inch Philips display, which I bought when I was like 16 years old for under $100. And we're going to give this monitor a little makeover. We're going to remove the old casing and design a new and improved one, so I can use this monitor in portrait mode on my new desk. Let's take this thing apart. Alright, so we disassembled the monitor and made sure everything still works. We got the IPS panel, the electronics casing and the main board of the display. So now we can start designing the new case. Alright, so now we got all the pieces 3D printed and are ready to start building our case. However, now comes the tricky part. We gotta perfectly line up all those pieces so that we can glue them together. Of course, if we just slap some glue on there, the chances are that it's gonna break at some point and will damage our monitor. That's why we're going to use some very thin sheets of carbon fiber in combination with some epoxy resin to strengthen our parts. Using carbon fiber this way is called skinning or wrapping and is a very useful technique to give a product some extra strength while keeping its weight relatively low. If you want to know more about wrapping with carbon fiber, you can check out the full tutorial, which is linked in the comment section down below. So right now I added one layer of carbon fiber to the frame and the back of the case, and everything seems to fit as it's supposed to. So the only thing left to do is a lot of post-processing. So give me some time and I'll see you in a bit. So we're at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope this video inspired you to finally start on a project of your own. And if you like this video, please consider hitting the like button and maybe subscribing if you want to see more of my content. And I hope to see you in the next video.